2020 has been a very tough year for the country, for the economy and for the commerce of the country. And the government was facing a very unique set of challenge in terms of drafting a budget which will pave way for the revival of the economy. So I think it was an okay budget. The announcements made will definitely have a positive outcome in the real estate segment as well. From the retail real estate and real estate point of view, I think the monetization of the airports and the railway stations will definitely have a very positive outcome with regard to the development and revival of the real estate and retail real estate in the country. Apart from that, REIT will be able to now get more international funds. I think that is a very positive message from the point of view of funds, because retail real estate anyway is a little crunched on funds. Foreign investments will definitely help pump in fresh blood into the segment. So I think these two are very important. I think the most important decisions by the government with regard to retail real estate and real estate per se. And added to that, the disinvestments, the privatization which has been announced in public spending, the increase in public spending. I think these will all in time push the demand of the citizen to go up. I think the purchasing power will go up. So pushing the demand and pushing the purchasing power of the citizens is important to get the economy rolling. I'm a little disappointed that the tax slabs have not been lowered a little bit in wake of the widespread job losses and the cuts in salary. I was expecting a little relief from the government on that front. Also on the startup front, startup companies and startup ventures need a little more tax holiday than just 1 year. I think these two should have been included in the considerations in the budget. So that's the two cents from me. Thank you very much.